Alright, this is the s032G Mini indoor flight.
Not bad. Okay.
Flying pretty good.
Yeah,
Got good indoor flight, good handling.
yeah, very good. Good, picks up a lot of good cold air.
Pretty much goes wherever you want it to go.
Yep.
Good 360-degree directional turn.
Building gyro, help stabilize more.
Yep, gyro.
Yes, sir.
This is what the gyro is for right here. When you want to just do smooth little turns, or if you just want to sit there and hover. It's good at hovering. Reverse. You go backwards. Good indoor helicopter. Real good indoor helicopter. Alright. See if I can get the hover course real good. It's kind of windy inside the house. We got air conditioner on it. Kind of being blown around a little bit, but other than that, it'll hover. You see that I'm just holding the controllers. Just pretty much flying on its own. It's got good gyro, good stability. Good for anybody who wants to start off with a good helicopter. We have a 9101. We crashed it the other day. We went outside and kind of floating pretty strong wind. But other than this, it's a really good helicopter. I mean, you can plainly see that I'm not even having to really control anything. Good helicopter. You fly pretty high. We've had it up to about 50 feet, guaranteed. It's got good frontwards and reverse. Just all around good helicopter. All the way around just.
Touchdown and launch.
And there you go.
And guys, here's your pellet.